Hare Krishna. I hope all of you are doing very well. Today, actually, I have come to you with a very special appeal. Mayapur needs your help. Mayapur, as you all know, is the place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's eternal pastimes. And since Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Mayapur is also non-different from the spiritual sky. Just as Golok Vrindavan is Krishna's place of eternal pastimes, similarly, Mayapur is the place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's eternal pastime. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted that his Sankirtan movement, the most wonderful gift that he came to give to this world, will spread all over the world in every town and village. And in order to fulfill that prediction, he sent one of his most intimate associates, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, to this world. And Srila Prabhupada, in a most amazing way, within the short span of 10 years, spread this Krishna consciousness movement all over the world. And Mayapur naturally became the center of a worldwide movement. About 50 years ago, Srila Prabhupada got a small piece of land in Mayapur and built a small hut and started his activities here. Today, Mayapur has grown into a huge community of more than 5,000 devotees from all over the world. And thousands of devotees are coming here every day for the darshan of Shri Shri Radha Madhav and Shri Shri Panchatattva. And during the festivals like Gaur Purnima, Janmashtami, and other such important festivals, we get hundreds of thousands of devotees come to take part in those festivals here. I'm sure most of you also have come and experienced the sweet spiritual atmosphere of this holy dham. The pandemic of coronavirus has spread all over the world, and as a result of that, the entire human civilization has come to a standstill. All over the world, every country, every city, every place is in lockdown. And Mayapur also has been locked down. The place where every day thousands of visitors, thousands of pilgrims used to come. Today, not a single person is allowed there. All the gates of Mayapur have been locked up. And as a result of that, Mayapur is facing an acute financial crisis. Although in such critical condition, still the devotees of Mayapur did not stop the activities that Srila Prabhupada wanted to happen here in Mayapur. One of them is the food distribution program. Srila Prabhupada wanted that no one within 10 miles of radius in Mayapur should go hungry. And the devotees of Mayapur are distributing about 5,000 plates of prasad every day, in spite of all the difficulties they are facing in Mayapur, to the individuals in different villages and towns around Mayapur, just to fulfill the desire of Srila Prabhupada. Since many people were coming to Mayapur, natural emphasis was on taking advantage of that. And in spite of having hundreds of acres of land, we did not think of developing self-sufficiency and agriculture. Natural financial strain due to lockdown has now compelled us to take care of that extremely important need. The devotees have become involved in this very joyful activity today with genuine interest and enthusiasm, the natural life based on agriculture and farming. Today, I am approaching you with an appeal. Mayapur is actually our real home. Our lives revolve around Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and therefore our consciousness should be fixed at this holy place of his eternal pastimes. Irrespective of where we are, our solemn responsibility should be to take care of this most important place. As you all know, generally I don't burden you with appeal for donations. But today I am coming to you with an appeal like that, a very, very earnest appeal to all of you. It doesn't matter how much, but please contribute whatever you can without feeling any stress, just out of your genuine love for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his holy Dham.